Just Lou. Been rebuilding an old favorite. I made it a different way. I used a very large speaker to make a Non Newtonian Fluid shaker, and it didn't really work very well. And then I created another instance with a plastic speaker, and it didn't work well either. What works the best is putting a aluminum foil tray over the speaker, and that seems to vibrate enough to really get an interesting effect with the Non Newtonian Fluid. So what is Non Newtonian Fluid? The oobleck, it is simply cornstarch and water. So that's my version of it. I don't use any Elmer's glue or anything like that. You're not really meant to be played with, although you could. And you just want to mix the water and the cornstarch together until it makes a really thick, syrupy substance. And that seems to work best for the Non Newtonian Fluid shaker. What you get, though, when you power this up and play a certain frequency, in this case 39 Hertz, is, well, looks like it's alien. So you can see a little bit better. I'm going to try, I don't have any food coloring, so we're going to try a little bit of cranberry juice. Drop that in there, and it's a little loud, but it's pretty interesting looking. Yeah, so definitely creepy looking. It's a fun and interesting little experiment to do. I have a application on my phone called FunkGen. It's free. This is an inexpensive amplifier from Amazon and a very cheap pile speaker, and just built a little wooden base to put it on. It works really well and is an interesting exploration of non-Newtonian fluids. Hope you guys enjoyed.